because today he's got broken glass. So is that bottle to take the edge off?
It's going to be. I do like that.
Somebody had to drink all this.
Have you ever stepped on a Lego accidentally? You know, you're kind of walking around.
Hurts.
And then, yeah, it hurts.
Yeah.
This is the glass. Now, you know what? We could keep people in suspense, but I want you to walk first, and then I'm going to come back and show you how it works, and then I'll have you walk again. Fair enough?
This is trust.
That's like,
you know?
that's like real
This is
glass.
trust. These are real broken beer bottles and a couple other jars and some things like that. Okay, you ready? Nothing has been prepared on your feet. You're going to be just fine. You just have to trust yourself. Oh, listen to this.
Oh my gosh,
Listen
it's
to this.
crunchy.
Got it,
Sounds good.
crunchy.
Thank
Good.
goodness I got a
Keep going. You're
pedicure.
there. Now go backwards a little bit. Now crunch back and forth. Just going to walk back and forth. You're really breaking the glass underneath
I
your hip.
cannot believe this
Now give
right
me a
now.
jump. Ready? Give me a jump. 1, 2, 3. See? Isn't that crazy? Okay, walk backwards. Now I'm gonna make sure that it's off of your feet. Ready? So here we go, off of your feet. Good, and back. And the crowd goes
See?
wild with excitement.
Now,
Okay.
why is that? Why does
Great
that
science.
happen?
All right, so and the reason, why do we do things like this? Most importantly, we're trying to get kids excited about science. We're getting adults talking about science.
Yeah.
That whole STEM thing, we're trying to create scientists. If it takes a simple little experiment like this to do it. Real broken beer bottles, watch. They're sharp. So
Right.
if you've ever stepped on that Lego, I wasn't just messing around. You step on that Lego, that hurts because it's one single point or
Right.
that piece of glass right there. Feel that. It's not horribly sharp,
Right.
but it is sharp. But
Yeah, that
once
would
you
hurt.
now distribute that weight over the entire thing, as she crunches like this, it pushes it off to the side. So much so, here, watch this. Here's our balloon. Watch this. If we roll it back and forth, try it, Gary. Roll it back and forth. Is that crazy? Push
does
down.
not.
Go ahead, push. Push.
Yeah.
See? So when you're really stepping on it, you really are just moving that glass around. And you're distributing your weight. So it's just, that's crazy. And if you don't,
Is crazy.
even with a clear balloon like this one here, you can actually see, if you get up close, you can see the glass poking into it. Look at this. See the glass poking
Isn't that
into
wild?
it? Is that crazy?
That's your foot.
I
So you
know.
would never ever think of it. So it's something like this. You say, well, what in the way? A kid might do this in a chemistry class or a physics class, something like that, for a fun day. But if this is the kind of thing that gets them asking the next question and the next question, we have a crisis here in the country. We need
Right.
scientists, right? And so these are the kind of crazy demonstrations
Yeah.
that are just the catalyst to get
like
we're
it.
the
Get them
essence
excited.
STEM.
Oh, I have to
all
do it
right?
again.
Do it
All
again.
right, let's go. Ready? Here we go. Your little walk. Now, what's dangerous is walking on one piece of glass. That would be really bad. Crunch, crunch. Come on. You want to do a handstand on it?
Oh, handstand.
I'm just asking
I'm wearing
you.
a dress,
All right,
all
give me a
right?
jump. Give me a jump. Yes, 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 yes. Nice job. See this? Gary, we tell people not to try it at home. We'll let their physics teacher do it, or let a program that comes to the school do it. But it's one of those things that I think is just amazing because you just don't believe that it could actually happen.
Pretty cool
It's
stuff.
kind of like the bed of nails, right?
It is like the bed of nails.
Like
It's just
a
a
bed of
cheap
nails.
version of the bed of nails. And then if you step off, I have to, because you've got stuff on your feet. I just have to make sure that there's nothing there on your feet. Show everybody your feet, the bottom of your feet. You're okay.
Yay.
Ta-da! You're perfectly
bloody, no.
fine.
He would
Wouldn't that
not.
be
He
hilarious?
would not let me do this because my toenails don't look anything like yours. Thought I would mention that. Steve Spangler Science. If you want to watch it again or get any information, Steve, as always, thank you, sir.
As always.